Attorneys general in 19 states, including Wisconsin Attorney General Josh Kaul, are challenging cuts to the U.S. Health and Human Services Agency. They say Trump's administration's reconstructing has destroyed life-saving programs and left states to pick up the bill for mounting health crises. They say impacted programs include supports for impoverished children, laboratories that test for infectious diseases, and the nation's mental crisis hotline.